Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. This is Biswajit back again with another video. In this video, we will discuss about string slicing in Python. Let's get into the computer screen and let's get started. So if we want to access some particular piece of string from a given string, then we can use string slicing. So I will write a print function, and inside print function I will write the name of the string str, and I want to slice the string from the second position to till 7 position. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see the result. Then you can see it is printing ding. That means it will start from second index and it will go till less than one of the specified last index. Okay, so that means it will start from 2 and goes till 6. So if I write another print function here, and inside it I will write str of let's say I want to go for 3 to 5. Then now if I run this file, then you can see it will print in. Okay, that means it will start from 3 and goes till 4. Okay, so whatever the value you specified in the last, it will go till 1 less than that number. Okay, so now what happens, let me clear the terminal first. And now what happens if I write here print str of, I will start from suppose 4 and then colon. If I not specify the last index, then what happens? Let me comment the previous print statement. Now if I run this file, then you can see what happens. Then you can see it is printing the rest of the things, like it will start from 4 and it will print all the strings till end. Okay, so you can see the result. So let me clear the terminal and let me comment it. I'll copy it and comment it. Now I will paste it here. And now if I don't specify the start end, and I will write here till 6, then what happens? Now if I run this file, then you can see it will print coding. That means it will start from, by default it will start from 0 and it will go till less than one of the specified index. That means it will go till 5. Okay, so it will start from 0 and goes till 5. So let me clear the terminal and I will comment all these things, and I will comment these things also. So now we will see another thing here. Let me paste it here. So we can use negative index also for slicing the strings. I will write a print function here, and inside print function I will write str of, let's say I want to print -2 colon -6. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see it will print nothing. That means we are starting from -2 and minus and ending with -6. That means we are starting from a larger number and we are ending a smaller number. Okay, so that's why it is printing nothing. So if I print here like str of if I print here, suppose I will start from 7 and goes till 2, then let me comment the previous statement. And now if I run this file, then you can see here also it will print nothing. Okay, so because we are starting from larger index and goes to the smaller index, so it is a invalid. Okay, so that's why it is printing nothing here. So how we can do that in negative number? So let me comment, or let me remove this statement. Let me uncomment it, and instead of writing -2 to -6, we can write here -6 to -2. So now you can see this -6 is smaller number and this -2 is bigger number than -6. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see, I will clear the terminal first. Now if I run this file, then you can see it will print the result. Okay, so what is the -6 index? So see, this is your -1 index, and this is -2, and this is -3, and this is -4, and this is -5, and this is -6. Okay, so that's why it will start from t. So you can see here it is starting from t and it will go till -2. Okay, so what is the index of what is the character present in the -2? Then you can see it is your -1, and it is your -2, but it will never go till -2, it will go one less than -2, so that's why it will go till n. Okay, so it will start from t and it will go till n, so that's why it is printing thin. Okay, so now let me clear the terminal and I'll show you another thing here. So if I write here print and str of, if I start from -1 and if I does not specify the last index, then what happens? So let me comment the previous statement, and now if I run this file, then you can see what will happen here. Then you can see it will only print s. So we can specify step value here also. I will write a print statement, and inside print I will write str of, I want to start with 2 index and goes till suppose 8 index, and the step value should be 2. So now if I run this file, then you can see what happens. Then you can see it will print dn. Okay, that means the difference between the characters is 2. Okay, so this is works in negative index also. If I print str of, I will write here 8 and I will write here 2, then you can see it is the first index is bigger than the last index. Okay, so if I now run this file, then already seen it will print nothing. Okay, so now if I specify the step value here -1, then it will goes in the negative direction. Okay, so let me show you. I will comment the previous statement and let me clear the terminal. Now if I run this file, then you can see what happens. Then you can see it will print the string in reverse order. It will start from 8 and goes till 2 in reverse order. Okay, so let me clear the terminal and I will show you another thing also. Let me copy this and comment it. Now I will paste here. So if I does not specify the first index and the last index, and I only specify the last, that means the step value here, then now if I run this file, then you can see what happens. Then you can see it will reverse the entire string. This is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.